Motion in a vertical circle when a body tied to the end of a string is revolved in a vertical circle. The speed of the body is different at different points of circular path. Speed of the body is different at different points of the circular path. That is the centripetal force and tension. That is the centripetal force जो केंद्र की ओर लगने वाला है and the tension in the string and the tension T in the string. Centripetal force and tension in the string change continuously. दोनों both are changing. Now suppose a body of mass m tied with weightless string length L, mass m, revolved in vertical circle anticlockwise. Revolved in vertical circle anticlockwise. O is the center. O is the center. A is the highest point. Highest point. B is the lowest point. At any instant P. At any instant P, body is at point P. Angular displacement from lowest point B is theta. Suppose angular displacement is theta. This is theta. Angular displacement is theta. Velocity V. Velocity V upward along the tangent. Upward along the tangent. Two forces on P. There are two forces on P. First, weight of body mg. Weight of body mg vertically downward. Second, tension towards the center of circular path. Tension towards the center of circular path. Weight mg resolves in two components. Tangential component is mg sin theta, and radial component is mg cos theta. Tangential component mg sin theta, mg cos theta. This is mg cos theta. This is mg sin theta. Now, net radial force will be tension minus mg cos theta. Tension T minus mg cos theta, which provides centripetal force for the circular motion. Centripetal force for the circular motion. That is net radial force. Net radial force is equal to T tension minus mg cos theta. That will provide centripetal force mv square upon L. T minus mg cos theta, that is mv square upon L is equal to यही सेंट्रीपिटल फोर्स होगा. नाउ T is equal to mg cos theta opposite side. T is equal to mg cos theta plus mv square upon L. T is equal to mg cos theta plus mv square upon L. This is equation 1. This is equation 1. Now V as goes on decreasing, as it goes upward, then V goes on decreasing. Theta, angular displacement increases, theta increases, cos theta decreases, V decreasing, theta increasing, and cos theta decreasing. T decreasing and become minimum at A. Tension decreasing and become minimum at A. V decreasing, velocity, theta increasing, theta will increase, cos theta decreasing, T decreasing, and T will be minimum at the highest point A. Now at highest point theta will be 180, then TA is equal to mv square upon L plus mg cos theta. That is TA is equal to mva square at the highest point upon L plus mg cos 180. Theta will be 180. Cos 180 is equal to -1. Then TA will be mv square upon L minus mgk. Because of cos 180 is equal to -1, that is TA is equal to mva square upon L minus mg. TA is equal to mva square upon L minus mg. If the velocity of the body Va decreases, then Ta decreases and becomes 0 for certain value of V. So for certain value of V, that is Vc, that is called as critical velocity. Ta is equal to 0 and Va is equal to Vc. Va decreases, velocity decreases, tension decreases to 0, Ta, then Va is equal to Vc. This is called critical velocity. From equation 1, Ta 0 is equal to mvc square upon L minus mgk. Now mvc square upon L is equal to mgk, m से m कट जाएगा, तो V critical velocity is equal to under root L into Z. Vc is equal to under root L into Z. Now in going the body from the point P to the highest point A, the kinetic energy will decrease and potential energy will increase. That is, now going from the body, from P to A, velocity will decrease, then kinetic energy will decrease and potential energy will increase because of height will increase. By the conservation of energy, this will be same. That is, difference in kinetic energy will be equal to difference in potential energy. Half mv square minus half mva square is equal to mg L plus L cos theta. L plus L cos theta. Va square m से m कट गए, Va square minus Va square is equal to 2gl plus 2gl cos theta के. If the body just crosses the highest point A, then Va is equal to Vc is equal to under root gl. Then we have V square minus gl. Va is equal to Vc at highest point, that is equal to under root gl. Then Va square यानी Vc square is equal to gl. V square minus gl is equal to 2gl plus 2gl cos theta के. Now V square is equal to 3gl plus 2gl cos theta. V is equal to under root 3 plus 2 cos theta into z into Lk. Substituting this velocity in equation this, we get T is equal to m by L 3 plus 2 cos theta into ZL plus mg cos theta. L से L कट गया 3mg plus 2mg cos theta plus mg cos theta. T is equal to 3mg 1 plus cos theta के. Now at lowest point B, theta will be 0, velocity of the body will be 2 cos theta, 2 cos 0, 0 cos 0 is equal to 1, 3 plus 2 yani 5gl under root 5gl, and T will be 6 mg, and T will be 6 mg at lowest point B. Theta is equal to 0, this will be 0, then VB is equal to cos थीटा की जगह पर 0 रखने पे 1 हो जाएगा. 3 plus 2 ZL 5GL under root 5GL VB will be, TB will be 3mg 1 plus cos theta is equal to 1, then cos 0 1 plus 1 2 6 mg, TB will be 6 mg. This shows the body will cross over the highest point A only when it will be given a velocity at least root 5gl under root 5gl at lowest point B, and it will cross the highest point when tension will be 6 mg at lowest point. अर्थात critical velocity at highest point will be ZL if the lowest point velocity will be under root ZL, then it will be possible. Tension will be at highest point will be 0 when at lowest point tension will be 6 mg, then it will occur. Thank you.